Hey guys, Peter here. Um, I just wanted to show and share with you guys what I did to my AC condenser fan on my 2004 first gen Sequoia. A lot of people, including myself, have experienced that the AC fan does. I mean, the condenser fan doesn't kick on. At first, I thought I burnt it out. Other people were saying the relay is burnt out. Blah 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 blah. Tested the fan, everything works fine. Come to find out, it was the high pressure switch, which is right there. Okay, right there. Problem is, my system was just fully charged, and at the same time, I noticed on stoplights, the AC would get warm. So what I did was I completely rewired. Well, not rewired. I just unplugged the fan that was connected to original wiring of the car. So you can see I unplugged it right there, and I literally just ran a fog light switch to it at 20 amps. And I added this little bonus fan here for the trans cooler. I just added it on there just because it's cheap and it's extra airflow. And when you run cool air through your condenser, which that thing still reaches, it keeps the AC cool. So needless to say, I have zero warming up when I'm in traffic or anything like that. And I just ran a switch to my dash, which I'll show right now. I had that switch laying around. I will post the wiring harness that I use, but I just had this switch laying around. I turn it on, and I'm gonna go to the engine thing right now, and I'll show you guys. Right there. So I got both of them running. Turn it off. There we go. Guys, it's like a 30-minute job. Anyone can do it. This I will say though, make sure that the fans are, you wire them so the air goes that way, not the other way around. You could do that by just literally switching the polarity and make sure the fan is blowing in towards the fins, not towards you. Do the same on both sides. But yeah, this, man, it was a game changer, guys. If you have a first gen Sequoia, I suggest, if your fans are not turning on as it should be, that you do this upgrade. Minor upgrade, super easy to do, cheap. Thing cost me less than 20 bucks to do. I'll post the link at the bottom so you guys could have the same nice cold AC no matter where you're at. I'm from Southern California, so it doesn't get as hot as other places here in the country, but I do go to the high desert and desert camp a lot. And one thing I can tell you guys, I could be at idle, and as long as these both fans are on, my AC is ice cold the way a Toyota AC is supposed to be. I'll post that link in the description below. And the ones that are wondering what these are, I don't really drive this rig a lot, so then I have it on a floater. So I just have it plugged into a floater, so I don't have to worry about killing my battery. Anyway, guys, hope this helps you. Click like and subscribe. I post videos here and there, so you'll see some videos of things that I do, but this is something I wanted to share because people have asked me about it. Anyway, guys, God bless all of you, and I'll talk to you soon. Links will be in the bottom. Cheers.